No one thought Omarosa would leave the White House quietly, but no one could have imagined how ugly it would become. Today, the president continued his attack on Omarosa, and she had something up her own sleeve, a recording of a phone call with the president she had secretly taped. Megan Alexander tells us what's on the tape.
Lowlife. She's a lowlife.
It's all-out war between President Trump and Omarosa. Wacky Omarosa, Trump tweeted today. People in the White House hated her. She was vicious but not smart. Trump's attack came after Omarosa released her secretly recorded phone call with the president, made after she was fired by White House Chief of Staff General John Kelly.
Omarosa, what's going on? I just saw on the news that you're thinking about leaving. What happened?
General Kelly came to me and said that you guys wanted me to leave.
No, nobody even told me about it. Nobody.
Wow.
You know, they run a big operation, but I didn't know it. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Damn it. I don't love you leaving at all.
Over the weekend, Omarosa also released another secret recording made in December 2017 when she was fired by General Kelly.
Can I ask you a couple of questions? Is the president aware of what's going on?
Let's not go down the road. This is a non-negotiable discussion.
The recording was made in the top secret White House Situation Room.
You're supposed to leave your devices at the door. Did you carry a phone or recording device? How did you do it?
I'll just leave that to your imagination.
Omarosa dodged questions about how she made her recordings, but reports say White House staffers believe she could have used a so-called spy pen that records audio. They're available at many electronics stores around the country, including B&H in Manhattan. I found a device similar to the one that may have been used. It looks just like a regular pen, but when I push the pocket clip down, it begins recording right here.